Welcome and good morning to all of you with our lesson based on modification, H modification or mathematical rules. These modifications I call H is Hamid's modifications, and we have these modifications related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and geometry. And we hope peace is again there by the help of Almighty Allah. As you saw, it was again violence in the beginning of 2017 elections. So we pray to Almighty Allah that peace is there and there is any solution of our problem. Let me start here. This is called H modification of similar numbers. But before that, before introducing similar numbers, let us say how the multiplication works. I believe whatever is there, I believe that it's exactly the addition of basic units. Whenever you do multiplication, it's again the addition of basic units. If you reduce any number to its prime unit, that's 1. For example, every number is reduced to 1, then 1 is added to that many times, then we reach to the result. Same is the case here. Let's start here. Let's try here and show here how it works. If we take 3 into 33 or 3 into 33 this way, exactly what happens, this 3 is added 3 times and then this 3 is again added 3 times. Let's add it. First this 3 is added 3 times because it's 3 times added. It's the first line of this, and then 3 of this, it's again added 3 times because I believe it's exactly the addition of the numbers or the addition of basic numbers. If you reduce it, then it's 1 added 9 times or 3 added 3 times. So this is the first line, this is the second line. So the result of first line is 9 and the result of second line is exactly 9. So we have to first bring this 9 and then we have to bring this 9. So this becomes 99. This becomes 99. Now see, if this is like this, for example, if I take 3 into this, so this 3 is added 3 times, then this 3 is added 4 times. So this is exactly 3 is 9, it's at the first place, then 3 9 3 9, then 3 12. So this is this, because we have to bring first this, the result of this line here, then we have to bring the result of this line here. Let's see if it works or not. 3 into 3 is 9, then 3 into 4 is 112. So it's 1 2, that's 129. So let's see if it's like this, 3 into 4 into 3. So it's 3 first 4 times 3, then 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. Then 3 is 3 times 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now the result of first is 3 is 12. So 1 will be carried. So that will be added to second line. 3 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. This becomes 102. Let's see if it works. 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 into 3 is 9. So it's 2, then 9 plus 1 is 10. It's 102 and it's 102. So exactly what happens, everything works in the form of addition. So let's see now what modifications we have for the similar numbers. Let's do it here. So let's take the unit, let's take the pair of similar numbers here. It's 3 into 3. So exactly, if we go in a longer way, if we want to make students understand, rather to make them remember tables, that's not a better way, then we can see that 3 is added first 3 times, then 3 added 3 times, then 3 again added 3 times, then 3 again added 3 times. Now let's see how we can do it in one line. First we'll do multiplication. We'll multiply 3 into 3 is 9. Then we'll multiply by this 3. 3 into 3 is 9. We have to double this 9. This becomes 18. That means 3 into 3 9. Then 3 into 3 9. Double this 9, it becomes 18. 1 is carried there. And 3 into 3 is 9 again. And 9 plus 1 is 10. Let's see if it works or not. So 3 into 3 is 9. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Then 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. So it becomes 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. So it becomes this like this. But sometimes it looks that it won't be like this, but still that's there. Let's take another example. 44 into 44. So it's like this. We got here 9 and 9. Maybe we don't get exactly the same way what we expect. 44 in 4 into 4 is 16. Here 4 and 4 is 16 again. That means 16 is 32. And what was carried here, it becomes 33. That means 3 here. See, first 4 and 4 is 16, and then 4 and 4 is 16. The double of 16 is 32. And 1 was carried, it becomes 33. The 3 is carried here. That means 4 and 4 is 16. And 16 plus 3 is 19. So it is 19. Let's see now first if it's exactly the same or not. 4 and 4 is 16. Then 4 and 4 is 16 is 176. Then 4 and 4 is 16. And then 4 and 4 is 16. 1 was carried is 176. Here it was 9 and 9. It looks that if it's easy, but here it's 7 and 6. So we have to add it now like this. 6, 7, 6 is 13. 3, 1 is carried. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 1 was carried is 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 1 is here. That means 1, 9, 3, 6, 1, 9, 3, 6. Let's do one more example. What we call it H modifications. This is the similar way, but we have to omit certain steps in order to make it very short. Let's do of this 5 and 5. So 5 and 5 is 25. 2 are carried. 5 and 5 is 25. The double of 25 is 50. 2 were carried is 52. That means I write here 2. And 5 is carried. 5 and 5 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. So this is 3025. So this becomes 3025. And you can do a lot more examples here. And you can see now, let's check it if it is same. 5 and 5 is 25. This 2 are carried. 5 and 5 is 25 plus 2 becomes 27. That means 275. Then 5 and 5 is 25. Then 5, 5, 25 plus 2 is 27. So it's 5. Then 7, 5 is 12. 1 is carried. Then 7, 2 is 9. Then 1 is 10. 3 carried. This 1 carried. 2 plus 1 is 3. This means 3025 is the similar one. So there, be with us and do subscribe our videos in order to get more videos free of cost. And I would like to say that we have modification like we do have in geometry. We take the area of some figure, let's take any figure by any formula, and by another formula we take the area of another figure. By another formula we take the area of another figure. We have modified certain rules, certain these formulas by which we can do the area, by which we can measure the area of 2 or 3 or 4 figures by one formula only. And if you be with us, if you watch our videos, and you can see more and more, and note my address, bukharihamid786 @gmail.com. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, goodbye.